Most people get this wrong. They think Paynex is just another quick cash or buy now pay later app. But the surprising truth in 2026 is that Paynex has evolved into a flexible financial tool that combines early wage access, installment payments, and budgeting support all on one platform. When used responsibly, it can help cover unexpected expenses without trapping you in high-interest debt. Here's how Paynex works. First, you can access a portion of your earned wages before your official payday, often within hours. This means no waiting weeks to cover an urgent bill or minor emergency. Second, eligible purchases can be split into installments over several weeks. Paynex doesn't charge traditional interest. Instead, it uses a flat, predictable fee per advance or installment, making it easier to plan your payments. The app also offers dashboards, reminders, and alerts that help you track upcoming payments and monitor spending. You can see exactly what's due, when it's due, and even receive nudges to avoid late fees. This makes Paynex more than just a payday solution. It's a tool for better financial management. The downside? Overusing Paynex can get expensive. Frequent advances or missed installments can add up quickly, and relying too heavily on the platform may mask deeper financial issues rather than solving them. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only request advances you can realistically repay on time. 2. Set up notifications to stay on top of your payments. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to reduce dependence on the app. Who benefits most from Paynex? Individuals with steady income who occasionally need a short-term cash boost or want help managing larger purchases. If your income is irregular or repayment discipline is weak, Paynex could end up costing more than it saves. In conclusion, Paynex in 2026 is a convenient and powerful tool, but only if used wisely. Track your fees, plan repayments, and treat it as a temporary solution. Subscribe for more honest financial app reviews and practical money tips to stay in control of your finances.